And welcome back again to our channel Priyanside56. In this video I'll guide you on how to recover permanently deleted photos and videos on your phone. In case you're new here, make sure to like and subscribe, and even click the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload new content. I will do that in case you're interested in such content, okay? So let's get started. So what you need to do, you have to use any web browser. You can either use Chrome or Firefox. Any of them could work for you. So what you need to do is to go and install this. Okay, so go and type in download disk digger pro. Disk digger pro. Okay, APK. So you can choose to get it from Play Store, because there it is gonna be safe. Okay, so in case you're using an iPhone, it is available on your Apple Store. So as you can see here, it could require us to pay in some money, but here, in case you don't want to pay, what you need to do is to, let's take this second one, also could work for us. Okay, because the first one could require us to pay, but this one is absolutely free. So you have to install this. In case you find any challenges, kindly reach me out in the comment section and help you out. And so it has successfully installed. What you need to do is to tap to open it up. Okay, so here what you need to do is to come and click on what you're interested in, search for lost videos. Just give it permission to allow it to have access to your videos that you maybe got deleted by mistake. And so it has successfully found 9 recoverable files that I recently deleted. So let me try to, as you can see. And in case you want to recover photos, you have to choose the photos option to recover them. Okay, so here you can choose the size of the files that you're dealing with. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you found this video hopeful, please leave me a like. In case you found anything confusing, let me know in the comment section and I'll help you out.